Welcome to the assembly and installation of the CURT 16025 GM fifth wheel leg kit on the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. We estimate this installation to take 15 minutes to a half hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. These fifth wheel legs are compatible with all CURT fifth wheel heads. In this video, we will be pairing the legs with the Q25 fifth wheel head. To make the installation easier, you may want to remove the fifth wheel head assembly from the main body of the hitch. Refer to the fifth wheel owner's manual for specific instructions on how to remove the head assembly. CURT fifth wheel heads are adjustable from 13 to 17 inches. To determine the required height, you will need to do some measuring. Make sure your trailer is on a level surface and use chock blocks in front of and behind the tires. Adjust the front lifting jacks to make the trailer level as possible. Now measure from the ground to the kingpin box skid plate. We will call this measurement A. Next, measure the ground to the surface of the pickup bed. This is measurement B. Now all you have to do is subtract measurement B from measurement A and you will get the required height of your fifth wheel product. It is also important to note that the clearance between the pickup bed rails and the trailer should be a minimum of 5.5 inches. Back to the assembly. On the main body of the fifth wheel hitch, the bottom holes are for the 17-inch setting, the middle holes are for the 15-inch setting, and the top holes are for the 13-inch setting. For this assembly, we will be using the 13-inch setting. Make sure the leg assembly with the red operation label is positioned on the driver's side of the hitch. Attach the legs to the body of the hitch through the selected mounting holes using the M14 bolts, washers, and lock washers supplied with the fifth wheel head unit. Snug down the hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. Lift the fifth wheel unit into the truck bed and set it carefully near the mounting locations. Open the locking handles by removing the linchpin and swinging the handles completely open. Do this on all four legs. Lift the unit and drop the legs into the mounting holes in the truck bed. Torque all M14 bolts to the exact value specified in your supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the fifth wheel head. With the legs secure in the truck bed mounting locations, rotate the locking handles back into the closed position and secure them with the linch pins. Slight resistance should be felt as the handles are rotated close. If the handles will not close with moderate pressure, you may need to make an adjustment to the locking T-bolt. To make this adjustment, remove the legs from the truck bed mounting holes and close the handles of the leg that need adjustment. Remove the cotter pin securing the castle nut above the handle. Loosen the castle nut a quarter turn and then reinstall the cotter pin. Place the legs back into the mounting holes and rotate the handles back into the closed position. The handles should now close. If the handles still do not close, repeat the T-bolt adjustment process. The last step of the installation is to remove the red label on the driver's side leg weldment and replace it with the fifth wheel operation sticker. This completes the assembly and installation of the CURT 16025 GM OEM compatible fifth wheel leg kit on the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For more details on operation and coupling your fifth wheel hitch, refer to your included instructions. Be sure to read and fully understand all of your instructions prior to using your new CURT fifth wheel hitch. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.
CURT, the first name in towing products.